Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing of some goodies from EZBRAID. Keep on watching. So I won a giveaway with EZBRAID. And when I say this giveaway package is everything and then some, let me show you. So here's the box, and it is full. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. So first it came with this thank you card. Super cute. So first up, I don't even know where to begin, but let's get into it. Okay, so first up, we have the Easy Crochet Bouncy Twist Hair. This is an 18 inches in the color 2. Super excited for this. I'll definitely be doing some probably mini twists with this. And I did get 4 packages, so definitely excited about this. Okay, so next up we have the boho French curl braids, also in 18 inches, and this is in the color 4. These are super cute. So these are braided, and then it has the French curl pieces, and at the end, this is what it looks like on the model. And I also have 4 packs of this, so can't wait to install this also. And next up, we have the 52-inch EZBRAID professional hair. This is pre-stretched. This is in the color 1B. And I have 3 packs of this one. So I am stocked up for protective styles. Next up, we have some more pre-stretched braiding hair. This one is in the color T1B Red. Super excited to use this one. And I have 2 packs for this. Cannot wait to use this. Loving that red color. So next up, we have some fun colored hair. This is the EZBRAID Itch Free Hair, 52 inches. I have a couple of different colors. I have peach, orange, so we have 2 peach, 2 orange. We have 2 sky blues, 2 baby blues, and last but not least, 2 baby pinks. So these are some cute, fun colors to experiment with, so stay tuned to see how I use these. Now, in addition to the hair, they also sent me the EZBRAID Edge Control, which I've never used, so I'm excited to try this out. And also the EZBRAID in Gel. So let's open these up, and they sent 2 of each. So they definitely got your girl together. So let's open these up and see what they look like. Okay, so this is the EZBRAID Edge Control. Has like a fruity scent to it. It says it's stronghold and it is water-based. Has a pH of 5.5. It's made with keratin, castor oil, aloe, and glycerin. And then the braid gel. Also has a nice fruity smell. Also has pH of 5.5. Stronghold hair and edge gel, easy control. Definitely excited about trying these two out, as well as all of the hair that they sent me. So thank you so much, EZBRAID, for sending me this amazing giveaway box. Stay tuned to see how I use these. Take two. Stay tuned to see what style I create next. Hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know which hair you want me to try first and what style you want me to do. Put that in the comment section below. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.